Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this right here, this TONOR microphone that everything that you're hearing right now, it's being recorded with this microphone that is connected to my phone that is filming there. I have to say that the quality of this microphone for what you get, I was not expecting this one to be this good. I tried it on my computer. I tried it on my PlayStation 5 with friends, and they say, dude, did you change your microphone or something like that? Because for sure, some of the headsets comes with a really, really good microphone, and I have one of those. But this one has something that makes it to be super crispy. So again, I tried it with my computer, I tried it with my PlayStation 5, but I needed to try it with my phone. I did, and that's why I choose to use it with the phone. It's connected via USB-C right now to the phone, and it's connected via USB-C right here on the microphone as well, which I have to say, it comes in multiple colors, but the white one looks fantastic. I have to say again that you can actually install this microphone whatever you want. You can do it in one of those boomers, for example. You can put it like this way. You have multiple controls, and I'm going to show you in a few seconds. But again, I think that this could be really good for podcasts on the go. Like if you want to record, if you have a podcast or something like that, you need like a crystal clear voice and deep voice and things like that. This one could be really good for that. And the fact that you can actually connect it on the phone via USB-C and it's just like plug and play, you don't have to install anything, makes it to be really good for that, just for recording podcasts or videos on the go, or for video content creators and things like that. This one could be really good. Let's actually jump on a closer look. So a couple of things that I want to show you right here. So you have the stand over here that for sure you can just kind of like put it in an angle if you want, put it up if you need as well, and just adjust it with this one, and that's gonna be it. It comes also with a heavy base right here, with also a rubber pad on the bottom, so it won't damage your furniture, but most importantly, it won't move easily. The other good thing about this one comes with, let me see if it is on camera, right here on top, it comes with a quick mute. But then I tap this one back again, and you can see that it changes super quick. Also, right here, it is on this way. You can actually change the lights. You can dim the lights, or you can just turn them off, which I think it is super good for a gaming environment. If you're recording yourself with a camera or something like that, could be really, really good for that. And also, of course, it also comes with a gain right here, over here, which I think it's a thing that you can change that on the go as well. So I will have to say one more time, I kind of impressed about this microphone, this Cardioid microphone, that it's a pluggable USB-C. You can use it on your computer, you can use it as a console, you can use it in your phone, which I think is the most important thing, how easy it is to use with your phone. So this is me, Alex, just saying bye and recommended this phone to you.